In this video, we are going to talk about some basic HTML tags. Okay, so HTML elements. So the structure to create a web pages, we should start with the HTML tag followed by the head as the element, followed by the body tag. So those are all the elements. And the head tag, we can use our what and all the resources we need. Like for example, we can mention the title of the web pages. We can put some CSS in the head tag. Within the body content, what and all we use to display to the end user. So the body content only going to display to the end user. Okay. So to use the HTML elements, if we want demands on what needs to display, based on that we can use nested elements. We can use it. And never skip the end tag. So which means if you open any HTML tags, always have a practice to close the tag, or else if you use modern editor, if you type open tag, that will come along with the end tag. Okay. And the empty elements, you can avoid that. You should avoid empty HTML elements and also use HTML attributes. HTML attributes means it's additional information for the particular HTML elements. Let me move on. The HTML structure, let's start with doc type HTML, which means it's communicating to the browser. So the browser will understand whether this is a document, this document type is a HTML. So for that purpose only, we started with a doc type as HTML. Okay, as I said, right? So we should start with HTML. If we start HTML, that should end with closing tag. Likewise, this is the head. It closed here. The body, it closed here. So likewise, all the tags should close properly. Okay. So when it comes to HTML, this is the parent element. Within that, two child. What are the two child? One is the head as an element, another one is the body. So both of them are child to HTML. Head is body's sibling. Body is head is sibling tag. So likewise, you will get to know those things later on when you write a CSS style for those particular HTML elements. Okay. So within the head, as I said, right, we can put our page title and we can include our styles. We can include our scripts, those things we can put it inside the head tag. Followed by the body, we can start with ID. ID is the unique value we need to provide. It should start with ID equal to whatever you want, that you can put it, but make sure this ID should be unique for the entire HTML DOM. HTML DOM means this is the DOM, document object model we used to see. And also you can have a class name as well. It's up to you whatever the class name you want to use, but maintain the proper naming convention. That will be easy for someone to work on that your HTML. And followed by, if you want, you can add the inline style. To have a style, you need to put like this, style equal to, within the double quotes, you need to pass the key value as the style. And below, we can mention whatever we want. For this example purpose, I started with h1 tag. So this should render as a heading and followed by the paragraph tag. So this is what the how the basic tags we can use it in the HTML. So in the coming videos, we can take a look at more on this. Thank you so much.